Right, as you can see, I'm in the middle of doing a review on a product, and this is how I normally do my down shots, using my main camera, that's the GH5, looking down on the product so I can do a close-up, and extending the tripod as high as I can. I can't go too high because I'm limited by my ceiling height. My ceiling's not very high, as you can see, so I'm restricted on that. But I've ordered a pole to go across so that I can aim my camera down, and it shouldn't be here till next week or middle of next week, and it's turned up today. So this is why I'm showing you this bit now, because I'm really excited, because I want to put the pole up to do all the down shots for looking on whatever product I'm doing a review on. I think it'll look a lot better, a lot more professional, well hopefully anyway, and you'll get a better experience from it as well, hopefully. So with that, what I'm going to do is bring the pole in and do the unboxing. And yes, it is a big pole, as you can see. It's too tall for my ceiling, but luckily it's not going from floor to ceiling, it's going from wall to wall. That is the idea behind it, and hopefully it will work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to move that camera back a bit. I'm going to do the unboxing on the floor. And yeah, looking forward to it. And I've got some other bits that I've ordered as well to go with this, and they turned up the other day. But like I said, this is not supposed to turn up until the middle of next week sometime. But it's here today, so that's going to be put on hold for now, because I want to set this baby up. Before we do the unboxing, I just want to quickly explain to you why I went for this kit and how I found it. And we'll do how we found it, or how I found it first. And I found it on YouTube. I found 2 videos, yes, just 2 videos on this product, and how they used it is the way that I want to use it, which is from wall to wall. And I want to hang my cameras down, and my microphone, my Blue Yeti, hopefully that will connect to it. Maybe not in this video, but at a later stage. And maybe even some lighting. Yes, I want to put some lighting on there. Nothing too heavy, obviously. Got my great big lighting on there, but I want to hang some sort of lighting down, and that would be ideal. And the reason I went for this, and this is called the Manfrotto, and it's the Man 32. It's an Autopole, and it measures 210 centimetres, but goes up to 370 centimetres. So it should fit in here just perfectly, and we will be testing it. And I bought a load of other equipment to attach to it, because you need other bits like a super clamp and stuff like that, and a magic arm. I bought one of them as well. So you need all these little bits to fix your camera on, that camera there, so that when I'm doing my unboxings and I'm zooming down, it should look more and more professional. So let me quickly explain to you another reason I bought this. This here is quite a tight gap. It's about 4 inches gap, and hopefully it will fit in there, because if it don't, I've wasted quite a bit of money, but hopefully it will. So with that, shall we get on with it and do the unboxing? It's quite long, so it'll be going out of my kitchen, then I should bring it back in once I cut it out. Right, before we do the installation, let me just show you how it works. So you set it to the length. In this case, we've be going across there, but to do that, you need to release it first. There's a little red button there that releases it. So you press that in, that comes out like that, and go like that, and that should work. See? So now it's released. So you set it to the length, whatever the length is. Oh, will it fit? Will it fit? Will it fit? I think it will just go, because that's rubber. Yeah, it will go, it's rubber, so it will bend. Thank God for that. So you put it to the length, and then what you do, you bring this down, goes over there, and as you can see, it pushes it out about, I think it said 32 centimetres. I will double check and stick it in the video for you. So it just stretches it enough, and that will hold it in place so that you can hang whatever you want onto this bar. And we will be going through each product that I will attach to it to hang down. You know, all the different devices I will be using. Like I said, I will stick a link in the video description of all the parts that I've added to this. So with that, I'll shut up and get on with it, shall we? These are all the things I bought for my overhead camera setup, so I'm going to do the unboxing. We're going to go through them all. So we're going to go through the easiest one first, which is this. And this is a stud. Does it tell you in the box, on the packaging, I should say? Yeah, camera stud, super clamp accessory. So I bought this just in case I needed it. Well, I wasn't sure exactly what I was getting exactly. So I covered myself by ordering some of that. And these are similar, but where that one's brass or golden colour, these one are two of these are silver. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go in there and cut it open. Like I said, I don't need all of these neither. I only need either one or the other. Move the packaging out of the way. So like I said, I'll order two of these. These are from Neewer. And like I said, I'll stick a link in there for all the parts that I've ordered today, or all the parts that I'm doing the unboxing for. These are quite nice, aren't they? Yeah, very nice. That's a bit bland, but you're not going to see that. But I just thought, well, they look really nice. Nice and shiny. So that's them three out of the way. And they're all designed for hanging your camera or your lighting off. That is the purpose of these. What we're going to do next? Let's do this one. So this is called a super clamp. Super clamp WO stud. Made in Italy. Get her out. Should be able to just tear it open. Move the rubbish out of the way. Oh, got some information. Let's have a quick look at the information. I'm not going to read it, I'm just going to have a quick look. Looks like a safety. So that's in different languages, by looking at that. Yeah, definitely in different languages. And no English there. Must be in this one. Manfrotto, imagine more, instructions, so that's definitely English. So yeah, it shows you a picture of how to use them, or use it. And that's also in different languages. Again, I'm not going to go through it all, get it out of the way, I'll have a look later. So let's have a quick look around it. I believe that's an accessory gadget, that thing now. I'm not 100% sure. I believe that goes in there somewhere to shorten it or something. So yeah, it should be quite easy to work it out. We'll work it out, I'm sure we will. Have a little play about of it. It's got a little button there, lever for releasing stuff. I believe that's how it works. So that is the super clamp. We will be using that. Not sure about all these, but we will be using the super clamp. We will use probably one of them at least for now. Like I said, I'm only doing my camera today. I want to get that up there so that when I do my overhead shots like I've got now, I can move the tripod out of the way and just have an overhead shot, which should be really good. I'm trying to figure out how to get through this. Nicely packaged. So normally I'll be showing you around the box, but I'm not going to today. I'm not even sure how to pronounce this. INNOREL? Yeah, sounds about right. QC pass, so done QC check. So this is a tripod ballhead from INNOREL. So we'll look at it. There's an extra bit there as well. Ah, yes. That's melting. Get that out of the way. Nicely packaged though, give them that. Move that out of the way. So it's a ballhead. Tripod ballhead. It's got a water bubble. That feels really nice actually. It feels like really good quality. So yeah, very nice. looking forward to playing about. So that will hang like that upside down somehow. I'm not 100% sure yet, but it should be something like that. You can do different angles and that, and lock it all in. Yeah, looks really good. And then I think these go in there somehow. We'll figure it out anyway. Oh, we're in there, sorry. So that will go in there. And then that will attach to the super clamp somehow. In there, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, that gets all locked up. So yeah. So it goes in there like that. And this baby here, it says a lighting support, professional lighting support. Or I call it a magic arm, because I know others call it a magic arm. So it's made by the same company again, Manfrotto. Comes in 2 parts. That again is for mounting a camera. And this is a magic arm with a knob on it. Let's have a look. Let's get this out. So this is all the bits that I bought. Like I said, I don't think I need all the bits, but I wasn't 100% sure what bits I needed. I wanted this baby. This is heavy. This is quite heavy actually. Very heavy. Got some weight on it, that baby. I'm going to have a measure up. Apparently you've got to make sure you remove this, which I will do later. So that's it. So that has a locking mechanism on it somehow, which is done by this. So that will go on there, but you have to remove that first. And I believe that was just for transportation reasons. I'll put that on now. It's not going to come off once it's on. That's it. So that will lock up whatever position you want. There you go. That's not going to move, and it will still tighten up even more, and that will tighten all these joints up as well. So if you loosen that off, you should, if I'm right, be able to move all them bits, which you can. That's really clever. It's a clever gadget. Yeah, I call it a magic arm, but it's called something entirely different. So these are all the bits. So you have a ball head for your tripod. So I thought I might need one of them, so I've got one of them. A magic clamp. Definitely need one of them to clamp it onto the pole. These 2 bits, I'm not 100% sure if I need them, but I've got them anyway. And I'm going to be using them eventually, even if I don't use them for my camera, because I can attach lights to it and all sorts of things. So with that, what I'm going to do now is assemble it all and put my camera, this one here, hopefully onto my pole looking